Friday morning. Nope, they can't go outside, so they're going to come back in. Somebody's going to get you.
Yep. Precious. Hey, Precious. Look at you, Jungle. You really reminds a minute. I know you're so excited you left me home. Like, now you got some company. I gotta go. I gotta go. Good grief.
Bambi, where's Precious?
This one right here is just going to be a lap dog.
Not my shoes.
Wait on.
Too early for this. Precious says, just hold me, hold me, hold me.
I've been on that all night.
Precious, 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 what are you saying? Hello.
Hi. Here you go, Minnie. It's alright.
Precious is going after the shoes.
Bambi's going after
Or Bambi's going after the shoes. Nope, I don't want the shoes now. What do I want? What do I want? Do I want the shoes? What do I want? Nope. What do I want? What? What? He said, somebody pick me up. Pick me up. Oh, pick me up. Sean wants out.
Sean, you want to go outside? I think with the shoes back.
Sean wants out. Nope, too dark out there for you guys. Sorry. Sorry. Bambi's fine. Daddy's going outside. I'll eat his food.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta turn it off. I gotta clean up the puppy paper. Precious, nah. Precious is chewing on the cord back there. Precious is chewing on a cord.